everybody, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly, and it's our first one for term 4. So I just want to say a welcome back to everyone, both on Google Classrooms if you're still working at home and if you are in school. It's been lovely to see you all. So let's start with our Heart Awards for our first week of term 4. Let's see who's been working really hard then. So in Year R, the Heart Awards go to Amelia and Margot. In Year 1, the awards go to Lottie and Alicia. In Year 2, we have Harley and Daisy. In Year 3, the awards go to Tessie and Oliver. In Year 4, well done to Ollie and Pralax. In Year 5, well done to EVP and Sienna. And in Year 6, congratulations to Libby and Harry N. Let's give them all a round of applause. Brilliant, well done, and well done to all of you who have worked so hard this week on Google Classrooms and in school. There's been some fantastic work I've been able to see, so well done everybody. And I have another announcement from Miss Long, all about our TT Rockstars. Well done, you've been really working hard on your TT Rockstars. Some people even over the half term getting into their times table, so well done. And we have 2 children in the school who have moved up to that next band on their TT Rockstars. They are both in Year 5, and the first person is EVG. Congratulations, you've moved up to rockstar status, so congratulations. And our second person in Year 5 has moved up to rock legend. Very good. So our new rock legend in Year 5 is Tilly May. Well done, Tilly May, and well done, EVG. Let's give them a round of applause. Well done, everybody. So remember to keep logging on to your TT Rockstars when you're at home, when you're in school and you do it in your lessons, and keep working your way up those ranks and see if you can be the proud winner of an electric guitar. Excellent. Well done, everybody. I have some exciting news about next week. Now, you will all know that next week we have World Book Day. So on Thursday of next week, that's Thursday, not Friday. On Thursday, you can dress up for World Book Day. And if you've been at this school a long time, you're very used to doing this and you have some fantastic costumes. So think of your favourite book, your favourite comic, your favourite magazine, and dress up as a character that you really love. So I look forward to seeing all of your costumes and all of the staff joining in as well. And I look forward to seeing all of your ideas. It's always great fun to see your costumes. So that is Thursday next week. But also, we do lots of stuff for World Book Day, and we actually have a book week. And there's a few things that you can get involved in at home and at school. The first one is this competition. Design a potato character competition. So look out for this on Google Classrooms, on Facebook, on social media, and you can see how you can enter. But all you need to do is find a potato and turn it into a book character. How exciting. So you can see this more online, but someone's turned it into Where's Wally? Look, a potato turned into Paddington Bear. How cute is that? So get creative, find a potato and turn it into a character. You can bring them into school if you're in school, post pictures online, and we will see there are prizes that are going to be awarded for the best entries. So get your thinking caps on, find a good potato and get designing a potato character. And also, this one's very exciting. Look out on social media and on Google Classrooms all of next week. Can you see that? Because the teachers and staff here at Morehall are going to be doing something called the Masked Reader. Not the masked singer that you may have heard of, but the masked reader. And we're going to record ourselves talking about our favourite books, but we're going to have a mask covering our face. And your job is to guess which teacher or which adult is talking about their favourite book. And you'll see on Google Classrooms, or if you're in school, we'll give you a form that you fill in and you have to guess which teacher is talking about their favourite book. So look out for that because that should be real fun. There'll be lots of things to do with Book Week next week, lots of lovely reading, lots of you visiting the library, lots of fantastic writing. So I look forward to that and seeing what you come up with during the week. Don't forget Dress Up on Thursday. Very exciting. And then we have wiped all of the house points clean. We've started at 0 on Monday. We had Warren were victorious for term 3. So let's see if they have managed to be in first place for the first week back, or will another house be in first place already? Okay then, let's see. I have no order. I'm just going to start with Channel. Okay, Channel. First week back, you have managed to earn 130 house points. Well done, Channel. Right, who's next? Lees, do you think you can beat 130? Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. Oh, not quite. 10 behind, 120, Lees. So well done, Channel. You're still in first place. Can you remain there, or have Harbour beaten you this week? Let's have a look. Harbour, you have got 220 house points. Bad luck, Channel, but well done to Harbour. Okay then. Warren, the reigning champions, have you managed to start this new term in the lead again? What do we think? Maybe. Right. 222 to beat. Warren have 220 house points. There were 2 house points in it. So, second place, Warren. Good effort, but well done. Harbour, our winners for week 1 with 222 house points. Can we have a round of applause for Harbour, please? Brilliant. Well done, everyone. Congratulations to Harbour, but it's only week 1. We know that can change. So get working really hard and earning all of those house points. Now, we hope to see you all back in school on the 8th of March. How exciting. So we have a week left of home learning, or in school if you're here. And then on the 8th of March, we're looking forward to welcoming you all back into school. How lovely will that be to see everybody? So your parents will be looking out for an email that we will send them next week to explain how everything is going to work. The sunshine is out, there's daffodils, spring is coming. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to get thinking about all those Book Week ideas for next week, and we look forward to seeing you on Google Classroom or in person in school. Take care, everyone. See you soon. Bye.